guys, I'm here today to show you how to make perfect chicken Alfredo pasta.
Extra virgin olive oil is a fantastic source of antioxidant and healthy fats. Go ahead and saute the garlic using extra virgin olive oil and make sure the oil is hot enough to sizzle the garlic. Add the butter and wait until the garlic becomes fragrant. Then the flour, and make sure not to overcook the flour. Now add the cream and let it bring it to a boil for about 1 minute. Add the cream cheese and Parmesan cheese. Now add the black pepper and salt to taste. Add Italian seasoning and stir it until barely becoming to thicken. Add the cooked chicken in the pan. Now add the cooked penne pasta back to the pan and stir it until the sauce coats the noodles. Now it's time for plating. Place the penne pasta on the plate. Add the chicken on the top and garnish with parsley. Sprinkle the black pepper and Italian seasoning. Make sure that the presentation is very nice. Place 2 slices of garlic bread on the side. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.